Every statement table starts as a raw slab, and this is how it becomes something worth gathering around. We start by rough cutting the slab and running it through a wide belt sander to create a cleaner, flatter surface. Then we lay out the cut lines and rough cut the shape, turning the raw slab into the basic form of the tabletop. Next, the epoxy areas are carefully prepped. Before the main pour, we apply a seal coat to reduce air bubbles and protect the wood surface. Then the epoxy resin is poured into the river channel, creating the contrast and depth. After curing, the tabletop is CNC profiled into a clean, round shape, and we route the C-channel grooves underneath to prevent warping and accommodates wood movement over time. Then we sand the surface to remove tool marks and prepare it for finish. The edges are rounded over and sanded smooth for a clean, comfortable profile. Once everything is ready, we apply the polyurethane finish to protect the wood and bring out the natural grain. Finally, the steel C-channels are secured using threaded inserts and bolts. The result is more than a tabletop. It's a finished piece built for real homes, real meals, and moments worth gathering around.